All in Argentina
Then,
as a seaman?
yes.
Wow. How many years were you a seaman?
Well, actually, only 1 year.
Only 1
Only
year.
1 year. So
Mm.
then, actually, we had practice. I mean, I was a student then.
Okay. What a great time to be a seaman.
It is.
Yes. It's the
And,
very
after
romantic thing to
that,
do.
Still, we had to do our service in the military. So, because
In Taiwan or? Okay.
so I stayed nearly
A
2
year.
years time
Wow.
in Navy. Still stay on the ship.
Yeah.
Because I was major when I was in college. Major in marine engineering.
Marine engineering.
Yes.
Whoa, tell me about it. What is marine engineering?
Well, in a ship, actually you can divide it into 3 parts. I mean, the staff who
Okay.
work on the ship. Usually, what we call the seamen is mean everyone. Okay. The crew, the officer, all together. But people who work on the deck,
Okay.
they have their specialties. They are good on, let's say, maintain the service of the ship or the mechanical stuff on a deck. Because when it comes to loading or they're going to unloading the stuff, you need people who work on the ship, on top of the ship, right? Or you communicate with other ship or people from on land.
Okay.
This is the captain.
Okay.
And but because it's running 24 hours, you go outside. So every 4 hours a shift. It's a shift.
Every 4 hours a
Every
shift.
people have to work 2 shifts.
2
So
shifts.
that means work every 4 hours.
Is
and then
one
you
shift.
take a rest for 8 hours.
Okay.
And then you come back, work another 4 hours. Like that.
Okay.
And marine engineering is we work under the ship.
Under the ship.
Yeah.
I see.
In the engine room.
Wow.
We
How big is the ship? Is it like really big?
big.
Was it an attack vessel or mostly like
They
farming?
have all kinds
fishing.
of equipment
Okay.
down there. The main engine, to make the propeller
Yeah.
going. But also you have to try to generate the electricity to support the whole ship. Okay. And so you have all kind of machine done inside the engine room. And that's what we are doing. Maintain. We try to maintain it work. But inside the engine room, usually they have, let's say, generator.
Okay.
Usually they will have, let's say, 3 generators. Okay, but usually you only use 1.
Why?
Because once when it was broke down,
Okay.
you need another to support.
Okay.
You change it, switch to another machine
Okay.
to generate the electricity. But usually we have 3.
Okay.
So just in case.
Right. In
Yeah.
case one of them breaks down, shuts off, or is faulty.
Usually they have such things. So there will be a lot of machine down there.
Okay.
But the ship is.
And you help design them as a marine engineer, or you maintain
We don't do
them?
that. We don't do that. They have someone
Like an
else.
engine
especially
controller.
Design the ship.
Got it.
and ships have different kind of views. So all my classmates, when we spend 1 year's time on a ship, we all go to different kind of ships.
Yeah.
So different people, they got a different experience from different kind of ships. Yeah, because some are big ships, some are smaller, some go overseas, some maybe local.
Okay.
Yeah. Our ship is a 212 meter
Okay.
in length, about 36 meter in wide, like that.
That's a big ship.
It's a big ship.
Wow.
Big ship.
And how long would you stay on the ship per term? Like 6 months at a time?
A year.
A year at a time? Wow, that's a long time to be away from friends, family, loved ones, significant others. Wow. And you didn't even have Wi-Fi, so you couldn't even use the internet back then. No internet.
No idea about what is Wi-Fi.
Yeah. Can't even imagine.
If you want to contact with your family or your friends,
it's very
the
difficult.
only way is when the ship is in the harbor.
Yeah.
And then you go outside and try to find a public phone booth.
Right. Oh, I believe the bus station's right around here. Thank you so much for the ride. I appreciate it. I've never met a seaman, so it's amazing.
In Los Angeles, they sure have.
I believe the bus was back there. Oh, the bus is here.
Yeah, here. I have to make a U-turn.
Okay.
So you keep coming back from
Taipei? Exactly. To Taipei, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, I make trips quite frequently, more often than I'd like to. I gotta be fair. Just because the atmosphere is completely different on the beach than here. Almost a bit too chaotic. Sometimes. But sometimes it's great. Sometimes it's a little too much.
But when it comes to the summertime,
It's a bit beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of people like to go out, have drinks. Much more
Also,
beautiful.
you have to watch out. Okay. I guess that you never in